Hello, my people. Thank you so much for joining again. This is Chit with Gloria-Cole, and on today's video, I am going to show you step by step how I was able to make this Christmas tree. From simple house items like the laundry basket you're seeing clearly, and some of my mop sticks and broomsticks in the house. So this was me and my sister trying to fasten the broomsticks tightly on the basket, the laundry basket, using sellotape, um, some polythene bags from the house, our normal Simo polythene bags, guys. Like, you don't have to break the bank to actually have a good Christmas celebration and to create your own DIY Christmas tree. So this was my sister trying to cut the nylon into smaller strips that will be, just convenient for tying. And you would want your broomsticks or your mop sticks to be tightly fitted on the laundry basket. This is to ensure that there's serious stability. You wouldn't want your Christmas tree to be, flowing all over the place. You want it to be fastened well. So my sister was tying it, and somehow the cover just lifted up. I had to come and tell her to undo that red one so that we can retie it again. Now, I just inverted the basket, as you can see. I just inverted the basket, and then we're trying to get the basket to be stable. Inverted it and then left it with the cover, forming a solid base for stability. Yes, it took us a while. It took some time to fasten all that. And of course, we're keeping ourselves busy by watching a very beautiful movie. We had to move a lot of things out of place so that we can be able to do all of that night. Guys, Merry Christmas to you. I can hear the knockouts all over the place playing in the background outside of the house. So after fixing all the sticks, I was now using sellotape to bind them together at the tip. So these filaments that I have, this is the first one we're deciding to use because it has a combination of red and green colors that are already glittering and they look so lovely. So yes, this is it. This green and red combination as well as the silver and the golden are not so strong, so we couldn't tie them together. But you see, this one that has green and some white tips, giving it a vibes of maybe snowfall or something. They're so strong, you can actually join them together. So which was what we did, and I had a total of I think five of those ones. Yes, five of those green and white, and then of course one of the green and red, one silver, and then one gold. I think I had a total of 8 pieces of those filaments, and they perfectly fit in. Guys, are you seeing how this basket has been properly covered? If you are not told that there's a basket under, you wouldn't believe that there's a basket. Anyways, this is my sister trying to fix the golden star at the tip of the tree to give it that, final touch. That, see how beautiful and lovely it's looking. Yes. Then next thing is to put in this beautiful um red balls. There are six per pack. I think I got them for 3,000 naira. Then there are other sets for 2,500. I think I got um two other packs for 2,500 naira each. Then there are some packs that have the pines and some other things there. I think those ones are 2,000 naira. Then I also had some, what do you call it now? Pack of some ribbons, red ribbons, that um I also got for 2,500 naira. And I forgot to mention that the filaments that I used are three for 2,500 naira. Don't forget that we have total of eight. So they sold total of nine, sorry. The green and the white combination in the middle, I got six pieces of them for 5,000 naira, and then the other three, the silver, the gold, and the one at the top, I got them also for 2,500 naira. So you can see that they're quite affordable. The basket, of course, is already a household item, so I didn't buy that. And of course, my mop sticks and my broomsticks are also not purchased for this purpose. I just simply removed them from my kitchen and then I used it. Of course, I have a sellotape at home. I have my scissors and everything. I think the next thing that I also purchased was the lights, the Christmas lights. Now, these Christmas lights are of two types, right? One is the one that sings. It's so brightly colored and it sings songs as it vibrates and lit up the whole tree. So yes, I didn't get that one. That one was 3,800 naira, very affordable, right? But guess what? I went for even a cheaper version of that I say ring light, a cheaper version of that Christmas light for 1,700 naira each, and I got two pieces of it. So the only difference is that this particular one that I got does not sing song, so it's just simply lit up the whole tree, and I was able to get two. Yes, this is because I didn't want to get just one that will not be able to go around the tree. So I opted for the one that does not sink, which was 1,700, and I got two of it, which was able to go, round the entire tree and giving it a very beautiful vibe. So yes, that is that, guys. And you can see there are some smaller stars here which I got for 1,000 naira each. I just got two of them in a nylon like that. So I'm trying to fix them. You can see that the tree is really coming out beautifully. So I made this thing like few days ago, 5 6 days ago, but I didn't get to edit the video and upload it. You know how it is, life happens during Christmas and the work at home can be really crazy. So yes, I couldn't do it until today, and I'm still very happy that I could edit and upload it. Okay, if you've watched this point, kindly like, subscribe, and possibly share so that people will get to know that yeah, it's actually affordable and doable to do your own DIY Christmas tree at home on a budget without having to break the bank, right? This was us going around with the Christmas tree, Christmas lights, going around the tree with the lights. So that's, yeah, that's the first one. Can you see the green and the red lights that are coming out? Of course. So this was me fixing the second one. Yes, we're going around with it. The second one. So the idea is you need to have enough of it to go around. That was why I didn't go for the 3,800 naira. Yes, it's not costly, but I chose to go with the cheapest option. Of course, it's a tree and it does the same thing. When my baby girl woke up the next morning and she saw this tree, guys, she started shouting, my Christmas is here. I say, it's not your Christmas, baby girl, it's a Christmas. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.